If you've ever taken on a DIY project or worked on home renovations, you know how frustrating a stubborn nail can be. Whether you're reclaiming old wood, making repairs, or simply fixing a mistake, a nail puller is one tool that can save you time, effort, and even prevent damage to your materials. With the right nail puller, you can avoid splitting wood or bending nails out of shape, making it an essential tool for both professionals and hobbyists. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best nail puller for your needs? In this guide, we'll break down the different types of nail pullers, key features to look for, and how to select the perfect tool for your project. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. For more detail and information, visit our website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5. ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller, our best budget pick. The ESTWING Pro Claw Nail Puller delivers unmatched precision and durability. Its 9-inch Japanese-style design, crafted from fine tool steel, ensures long-lasting performance. Right out of the box, the chrome finish and cushioned blue grip stand out, offering both comfort and stability during demanding jobs. The dual claw design is sharp, making it ideal for pulling headless nails without damaging wood, something many similar tools struggle with. I found the thin claw particularly effective at getting into tight spots, outperforming standard cat's paw pullers. The shape and rounded head provide exceptional leverage, letting you apply maximum torque when prying boards or removing stubborn nails. What I love most is how easy it is to handle. Its drop-forged tempered steel construction adds durability, and the slim profile lets you reach those tricky, hard-to-access areas. Made in the USA with American steel, this tool's quality is unmatched, providing reliable performance for years to come. Number 4. Baates Fencing Pliers. Tackle tough fencing jobs with ease. Baates fencing pliers bring versatility to your toolbox with their 10-inch heavy-duty build and polished steel alloy construction. Rust is no concern, making them a long-lasting choice for outdoor work. 2 wire cutters handle various wire gauges, while the staple grips let you remove fencing staples effortlessly. The corrugated hammerhead adds extra functionality, allowing you to drive staples or nails without switching tools. What sets this apart is the wire grip feature, perfect for stretching barbed wire, something not all models include. The soft, plastic-coated grip feels comfortable in your hand, even during long tasks. Whether you're a carpenter or handyman, these pliers simplify fencing projects, saving you time and effort. Baates combines durability and function in one sleek package. Number 3. WORKPRO Pneumatic Nail Remover. Efficiency meets precision with the WORKPRO Pneumatic Nail Remover. This tool easily removes nails with a powerful punch, thanks to its hardened nose. The slim design allows you to access tight spots where other models struggle, making it perfect for nail demolishing in cramped spaces. You'll love the 360-degree adjustable exhaust, which protects you by letting you direct airflow as needed. Dust and dirt stay away from the 1x4 NTP air inlet, prolonging the tool's life. With an operating pressure range of 60 to 100 psi, it adapts to various job requirements, delivering consistent power. What stands out most is its lightweight die-casting aluminum body, making it easier to handle over extended periods. The non-slip handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue even during long tasks. Removing and recycling nails from pallets, boxes, and floorboards becomes much faster, keeping wood intact and reusable. Its ability to handle bent or straight nails makes it more versatile than many competing products. For anyone aiming to save time and energy, WORKPRO delivers unmatched efficiency. Number 2. Baates Nail Puller, our best runner-up. Quick, efficient, and versatile. The Baates Nail Puller proves its worth with every use. Its high-carbon steel construction ensures long-lasting performance while resisting rust, making it more durable than similar models. The 7-inch size offers just the right balance between precision and power, perfect for both cutting and pulling nails with ease. What stands out is the dual-use design, allowing you to cut wires or nails, then seamlessly pull them out. This versatility makes it a must-have for carpenters and handymen alike. You'll also appreciate the soft plastic-coated grip, providing comfort during long jobs, something not every tool in this category offers. Most impressive is its ability to handle a variety of tasks, from pulling staples to cutting nails, making it a great choice for floor installation or construction projects. Baates Nail Puller sets a new standard for multi-purpose tools. Finally, introducing our best choice, Spec Ops Tools. Nail extraction just got easier. The Spec Ops Tools nail puller combines precision with durability, making it stand out from other nail pullers. Its 20% lighter carbon steel skeleton makes long jobs less tiring while maintaining the toughness needed for demanding tasks. You'll appreciate the precision-honed claws that remove headless or embedded nails with minimal damage, perfect for delicate surfaces. Two nail pullers provide flexibility for different nail sizes and types, which isn't a feature you'll find on many other models. The sniper control design offers a firm, comfortable grip, allowing you to pull even sharp nails without slipping. Plus, the dual strike zones ensure quick and accurate nail removal, a major advantage when working on tight deadlines. What I love most is the lightweight design. Even after long hours, it feels comfortable, which is rare among other heavy-duty tools. Drop-tested from 100 feet, it proves to be as tough as advertised, making it ideal for tough job sites. With its lifetime mission capability guarantee, this tool outperforms competitors in both strength and ease of use. For anyone in need of a versatile, durable nail puller, Spec Ops Tools sets the standard.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. We hope that this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.